Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Woke up in this beautiful location here. I think it's called Gummers How. I'm just in the woodlands and it's stunning. Really good park up. But my motivation levels have just dropped for filmmaking right now, just because it's been so hard to find places to park. It's getting a bit ridiculous in the lakes. So yeah, pretty much feeling a bit deflated. But I'm gonna go down, grab a coffee and make some scrambled egg on toast.
Right, so I've seen a hack on TikTok and Jordan doesn't even know what I'm doing, so it's a first reaction for Jordan. So when you're making any type of egg, you get your egg and you just... and apparently it cracks. I mean, it's not working.
You taking a mick?
No, apparently, look, and it cracks perfect. Right, let me try another one. So apparently you just...
It's got loads of Shelly Mitchell in there.
No, there's no shell. Where's the shell? Right. I mean, I don't know if it'll...
No, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it that time round.
I'm going to do it again.
No, because then it'll mix in with all that.
No, I'm going to do it again. From height, do you reckon? Might splash up. Let's go. Okay, I think we've stuck to normal cracks now because it didn't really work for us. But still, no shell.
Well, it looks like I'm having crunchy eggs for my breakfast. At least the sun's coming out.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, 3 days this month. We're on to a winner.
Just realised.
What?
No butter.
Like a full-on operation, making a coffee in the span, innit?
It's like Jordan's cocktail corner, innit?
It literally is. Do you understand that? Like, people going for a hike there, and the fella's like 9 miles ahead of them.
When like, the man always walks ahead of
Yeah,
his wife.
they just literally walked past. All I saw was the bloke come past, and I was like, "Where's the woman? She's half a mile up there." Madness, Jean.
So I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but me and Jordan are trying to be a little bit more healthier. So we've decided that we're only, obviously, we're going to do it sometimes, but for the majority of time we're only going to eat foods that are like one ingredient. So like eggs and toast and like chicken, rice, veg, instead of like going out buying like
sauces that have got loads of different ingredients in.
Yeah. So like if we're cooking pasta sauce, it's going to be like chopped tomatoes and whatever you're putting in it. So like all these one ingredient foods, so you know exactly what's going into your food. And I think we're going to get out on more hikes because we're both feeling a bit deflated. We're both kind of lounging around. So I think if, I don't know, we're just going to try and motivate, I can't get my words out, motivate ourselves in different ways. So plenty more hikes, getting up early, eating better foods, and I think we'll both feel better in ourselves. So if you see us eating something naughty, make sure to leave a comment and tell us off.
You see that buy me a coffee? I'm thinking of changing that to buy me a chippy.
No, it's not happening.
Why?
We're not takeawaying anymore.
Or buy me a kebab.
No.
Why?
No.
Just think of how good that would be.
No, we're not doing it.
Just get unlimited kebabs and fish and chips.
No. Healthy eating, the way forward. We'll limit ourselves one takeaway a month. Or one eat out a month.
One?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how long I'm
Choose
going to last with
wisely.
that.
And we had a takeaway the other day, so that's your month gone.
I had a curry. When was that? Not yesterday, day before.
Yeah.
The curry, not yesterday, day before. Saying that, you give me food poisoning. So yeah, I would bloody, damn right I was eating out.
So the story behind this was I cooked burgers and I thought you could have them slightly pink in the middle because that's how they have them in restaurants. So that's how I done it. I mean, they weren't slightly pink, they were like raw pink and cold in the middle. And we both like ate them to like a good amount of it, didn't we?
Yeah.
And then straight after I started getting really bad stomachache and feeling like I needed to go, but not going. And then Jordan was like, nah, I don't feel well either. And then I googled it and apparently you can't eat ground beef burgers like raw or pink. You can only eat steak burgers pink. So I think we've had a bit of food poisoning because we've both not been great.
A bit is an understatement.
Don't have Don't have pink burgers?
Yeah. Her excuse was she couldn't be bothered standing up cooking. Just give me a load of cold burgers that are pink in the middle. If your missus can't be bothered cooking, I suggest cooking yourself. Anyway, less lounging, more cooking. This time preferably cooked.
Sloppy scrambled egg. Wash it. Lovely egg.
She's not right. Well, luckily, I am absolutely banging at cooking. I make Gordon Ramsay and Gino Di Campo look like they don't know what they're doing.
Don't let him tell you that he's lying.
I'm not lying.
Can we all just appreciate how much of a slant I'm on right now?
No, because I'm not going to show that.
Come on.
You're just trying to use that so that you can give me a runny egg and make me ill.
Bring them over. Show them how slanty we are. This is what I have to deal with cooking. Because Jordan can't park. You can't park there, sir. So that is the perfect scrambled egg. Look at that. Oh. Bit gutted though with no butter. I had to use oil, so it wasn't like the best, but let's get that down us. Let's go and get in. Jordan, breakfast.
Oh, get in. Look at that.
No butter on your bread though.
I don't know.
Looks a bit miserable, doesn't it?
You're on the bread line, you. You don't get more butter, you're out the van.
Right, let's enjoy this. We'll catch you in a minute.
We was actually going to go out and go for a hike, but obviously raining again. But we can't film, you see, in the rain. Oh, come on. This, honestly, last year was so wet in the Lake District. Like, so wet. It just didn't stop raining the whole time we was here. And now, this year, we've come back and it's raining again.
You guys obviously don't want to see content like this where we're like miserable, stuck in the van.
Sat in the van.
It's not fun to see, but we thought today we'll show you a bit of a reality of what we've been kind of dealing with.
We had a nice little day planned as well. I was going to go out for a nice hike and then come back and fit our new internet system, our new Wi-Fi system in the van. But obviously, with the rain, we can't really do that. So fingers crossed it stops in the next 5 minutes.
5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago, yeah. Funny enough, it's kind of stopped raining, but you can feel like it's going to start up again. So I think we're going to leave that one and head off in the van. I'm going to go down to Bowness and pick up some bits from there. And then we're going to see where we can find a nice little park up. Might do a bit of fishing, to be honest. Since being back, I've actually not got the fishing rod out. As you know, when we was in Spain, I had it out over there. Caught quite a few fish. But yeah, it's starting up again. You can feel it. It's just starting up now. It is grim, isn't it? Oh God, what was that? What a cracking spot this is. But I do think we should go and pick up the car because we need Sikaflex to fit our internet. And that wiper's just decided to disintegrate.
Oh yeah, at the bottom.
Yeah. So we're going to need to get 2 wipers. Oh, just hit that tree. Yeah, we need to get 2 wipers and some Sikaflex.
So when we're working up here, I have said in like a previous vlog, but it is so handy having the car up here because the roads are dead narrow. Well, it's not too bad in the van on the narrow roads, but it's when you want to park up outside a shop, say in Ambleside, there's no chance in the van. So we leave the car usually at work or just parked up somewhere. And then if we need to do some shopping or something, we just head off in the car.
Just got to Rayrig now and I'm going to go and drop the kids off at the pool and pay 50p for the pleasure. Oh, Jesus, wet. Oh, I just have to rain so much. Here we go at Shelley Mitchell. Oh God. Bloody cold. Get in my belly. freezing it.
So every time Jordan goes into the spa, he's terrible for picking up food from the hot counter. I've just told him no food. So let's see if he's listened to me or whether he's going to come out with something.
Oh, keep on the receipts. Oh, here she is now in the little Corsair, the speed demon we call it. Right, going in this garage. Gonna treat Annalise to a nice little milkshake. Do these mad milkshakes here, that's proper nice. So these are they're proper nice. These little brownie chocolate things. There we go, I've treated you.
Oh.
Don't say don't buy anything.
What about the diet?
I'll
take it.
I was walking around in there with the camera and people like looking at you. And then one guy he was like stood behind me, he was like, "Are you okay?" I said, "Yeah." I said, "I'm just filming these milkshakes." He started laughing. He said, "Oh, have you got like a YouTube channel?" I said, "Yeah." And this other guy was speaking, and next thing you know, like loads of people are speaking to you in there. It's mad.
Hey, get the subscribers up, get us to 10k.
Whoa, we're going to Kendal. Oh, to Tool Station. Oosh. That's crazy that the guy in there, he's just said, "Oh, I recognise you from somewhere." I said, "All right." He went, "Is it Instagram or YouTube?" I said, yeah, that's it, yeah. It's like, no way.
We have swapped the car now, back for the van, we're parked up, so let's go and put the shopping away.
Now you've probably heard me bang on about our Max View because it's amazing for internet, but they've just brought out the new Max View Roam 5G and we're switching out our Roam X for the Roam 5G. How smart does that look? I actually like the purple as well. So in the box you get obviously your standard stuff, the Roam app, 5 gigabytes of free data, 2-year warranty, and then a bit of like an installation user instruction manual. The antenna, which has, I've noticed, a little bit different to the other one. I think 4 antennas inside of this, where the other one, which is the Roam X, only has the 2. Now we've had no issues with this whatsoever. We probably wouldn't have even upgraded until we actually thought, you know what, yeah, we may as well give it a go, try it out, see if it's much different than the other one. Plus it is 5G, so clearly it is a little bit better. Also comes with a bracket as well, so that'll slot like this. So you screw that in, that'll slot like that. It looks just cool, doesn't it? It does look cool. If you put it in a caravan or you put it on anything else, you can put this basically down through the, screw it in tight, and it pulls the antenna tight to the roof. This little sticky back, that is actually like pretty much like sealant, as good as sealant. I always put sealant on myself anyway, but I don't think you actually need it with that. You know, if you've got like a flat roof. Comes with a nano and micro SIM adapter, because you can actually put 2 SIM cards in this. And what's good about this, check this out. So you know how everybody always loses these pins, this little pin for opening your SIM card. It actually has a slot in here, and you can leave it in there permanently, so you never lose it. So if you ever need to get your SIM out, just whip it out and then pop that straight back in there. Brilliant, isn't it? Power cable. It's a cigarette lighter, but what's quite good about this little switch, it's obviously got a switch on there. But what I really like about it is you can actually unscrew this and hardwire it in. That's what we've done. So we won't be needing this because we've already got one hardwired in, ready to go. And it's the same plug as well, which is good. So if you are upgrading from the Roam X to the 5G, it is the same pin. And it comes with an Ethernet cable as well. So should we get fitting it? It's basically a full plug and play system, and that's why I like it, because it's dead quick. I'm here in a car park at Hawkshead Hill, and I'm just going to throw that together in 15-20 minutes max. So it's that simple. Literally dropped it in, and you've got, just show you now. So you've got 4 antennas, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. And then your 2 Wi-Fi ports which go in the far back. And then this center one, I think it's GPS, is it? Yeah, GPS. And you leave that one out. You leave the GPS one out.
So that's us all set up on the app. EE, router is connected to the internet, and now we've got the little 5G sign up there.
That's the Max View fitted. We're going to be going to some rural locations and testing it out to see what the speeds are. So keep an eye out for the YouTube short.
So I'm going to make some crispy Frank's hot chicken wings. I've put some corn flour with pepper, salt, paprika and garlic in there. And I'm going to show you them when they're done and see how they turn out. So we've got the Frank's hot buffalo sauce on them, and I cooked them in part in the air fryer and then some in the pan because the air fryer is only small, so I thought that I'll just whack them in. So hopefully they're cooked. I mean, they look cooked.
Look.
Go on, Jordan, first impression. Minging.
No, they're nice then.
This is the van life reality aftermath after cooking chicken wings. Of course I've got Jordan on washing up duty.
After Annalise decided to use every pan to cook chicken wings.
Yeah, you have to. To be fair, we never normally eat stuff like this. It's usually like a 1-pan dish. So it ain't too bad. I think I'll just sit here and watch the view.
You're not right, you are. Well, that's the washing up done. If you did like the video, please hit like and subscribe, and also leave us a comment because we have been a bit deflated this week, and we'll get back to ourselves soon. It's just the weather just puts you down. However, we're going to be putting videos out every Friday and Monday, so don't forget to hit that dingly bell so that you get a notification when the video is ready.